Hi everyone, welcome to share classes. Today in this video, represent root 5, root 6 and root 7 on number line. So let's do it. First of all, here drawing a line segment of any length by this way, then marking arrow mark on both sides. It means the line segment is continuous on both sides. Next, roughly discussing here some important topics or notes. So let us take 1 unit length equal 2 centimeter. You can choose 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter as your choice. Next, measuring the length 1 unit equal 2 centimeter with the help of scale and compass by this way. Okay, now marking the line here and labeling 0. Then putting the compass on the point 0 and taking 1 unit equal 2 centimeter and marking the line by this way to make a number line. Okay, putting the compass here and cut here. So labeling here -1, then 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and continuous. So this is a perfect number line. Now first represent root 5 on the number line. So discussing about root 5 equal, we can write root over 1 plus 4 equal to root over 1 square plus 2 square. And I will use here in future this here. Now labeling here O and labeling here A, then drawing 90-degree. So putting the compass on the point A and taking any radius. So first drawing here an arc, then putting the compass here and taking same radius and cut the arc at a 2 times by this way and drawing here an arc. Now putting the compass here and cut here. So joining this to get 90-degree angle. Checking this angle with the help of protractor. So this is perfectly 90-degree. So labeling here 90-degree symbol. Okay. Then measuring length between 0 to 1 equal 1 unit and putting the compass here and cut here. So labeling here B. So AB is 1 unit length and OA is 2 unit length. So here 2 unit between 0 to 2. Okay. Then joining OB to get a right angle triangle OAB. So by Pythagoras theorem, root over 1 square plus root over 2 square equal root 5. So OB equal root 5. Now measuring length OB equal root 5 and drawing here an arc by this way, which meet the number line here. So taking or marking, so labeling P, and this is represent root 5 on the number line. Next, represent root 6. So first drawing a 90-degree angle at the point B. So by same way, drawing a 90-degree at the point B with the help of compass. Okay, perfect. Now joining this to get a 90-degree angle. Checking this angle with the help of protractor. So this is perfectly a 90-degree. So labeling here 90-degree symbol. By same way, measuring length between 0 to 1 equal 1 unit length and putting the compass on the point B and cut here. So labeling here C. And BC equal 1 unit length. Then joining O and C to get a right angle triangle OBC. So by same process, Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, root 6 equal root over 1 square plus root 5 square. So this is OC equal root 6. Measuring OC equal root 6 with the help of compass and drawing here an arc which meet the number line here at a point. So labeling here Q, and this is represent root 6 on the number line. Next, represent root 7 on the number line. So by same way, drawing 90-degree angle at the point C with the help of compass. Okay, so drawing a 90-degree at the point C. Perfect. Now putting the compass here and cut here. Then joining this to get 90-degree angle and checking this angle with the help of protractor. So this is perfectly a 90-degree. So leveling here 90-degree symbol. Then by same way, measuring 1 unit length between 0 to 1 and putting the compass on the point C and cut here. So leveling here D. So CD equal 1 unit length. Now joining OD to get a right angle triangle OCD. So by Pythagoras theorem, root 7 equal root over 1 square plus root 6 square. So OD equal root 7. Measuring the length OD equal root 7 with the help of compass by this way. Then drawing a arc through the point D and which meet the number line at a point. So leveling here R, and this is represent root 7 on the number line. Perfect. So therefore here OP equal root 5,
Guiones,
OQ equal root 6,
guiones,
OR equal root 7,
guiones,
and PQ and R represent root 5, root 6, root 7 on the number line. So by this way you can represent root 5, root 6, root 7 on the number line. That's all.